This is not your typical high school. This is West-MEC, a public career and technical education district built to give students a faster way forward. With our unique Arrow Advantage, we transform students into emerging professionals, empowered learners, and global competitors. As emerging professionals, we build communication, teamwork, leadership, and problem-solving skills, the skills employers expect. As empowered learners, our students gain confidence by doing, working with industry tools, real projects, and career-connected experiences. And as global competitors, they graduate with industry-recognized certifications, college credit, a professional resume, and a clear plan for what comes next. In the end, our students gain more than just skills. They leave with credentials, confidence, and a competitive edge. This is the Arrow Advantage. This is West-MEC.